1 week from today, Dr. Anthony Garcia will stand trial for 4 murders. His defense attorney says their investigation helped lead to Simmer's arrest, a statement the city attorney has denied.
Tonight, she's going one step further, connecting Simmer to 2 of the murders her client is set to stand trial for.
We have always said that the Blanchard murder and the Dundee murders were done by the same person.
Speaking via Skype, attorney Allison Mata lays out what she calls concrete, undeniable evidence that will clear her client, Dr. Anthony Garcia. Seen here at a recent status hearing, Garcia is accused of 4 murders between 2 locations over the course of 5 years. But Mata tells me that Charles Simmer, the man recently arrested for the cold case of Joey Blanchard, was the real man behind 2 of those murders. In 2008, Dr. William Hunter came home to find his son and housekeeper dead. It would take years for investigators to connect Garcia to the murders. Now Mata says she's found evidence within the state's own DNA evidence that connects Simmer, not her client, to the murders of Thomas Hunter and Shirley Sherman.
When they look at the same DNA, they're going to realize that exists in their own numbers.
That's an inaccurate statement. I mean, it's really a reckless disregard for the truth if you understand forensic evidence and DNA, so that's not accurate.
The county attorney got that evidence Monday morning. He tells me without a doubt that Mata's claim isn't only inaccurate, but a blatant attempt to muddy the waters ahead of next week's jury selection.
It's pretty obvious. I mean, the timing of it, when we're talking about 5 business days before trial.
If there was any question that the recent cold case arrest would throw a wrench in the plans, it's clear now that a trial remains imminent.
The lawyers are not the only ones weighing in on this. In fact, I've been speaking with the Omaha police chief about this, as this does have to do with an Omaha police investigation. I want to read you a quote here from Chief Schmatter. He says, quote, "I stand by our investigations, and Omaha is a highly intelligent community." He adds, Anthony Garcia's defense team hasn't spent enough time in Omaha to realize this.
So Matt, there's been a lot of attention to this case already. Any idea how long this trial could possibly go?
Yeah, John, we've been keeping track of that because we're going to be covering this throughout the entirety of this case. I'm hearing that it could be around 6 weeks, but as you heard from both attorneys, they're ready for this. You're talking about 4 murders, potentially introducing a defense involving a 5th. This thing wouldn't surprise anybody if it went a full 2 months.
All right, thank you. That's Matt Smith reporting live tonight.